Hello and welcome back. And today we are starting on volume 2 with puzzle number 1. All right, if we look at this box here, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here. So 7, 6. For this box, looks like we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, but I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. That means our 8 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this row, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 5 and 7 here, so that means our 6 is here, but I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. And for this box, then, we would still be missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 7. 5 here, so 2, 7. And no help here, so 2, 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 2 and 3 here and a 6 here, so this is our 7. And that 2 and 6 here means this is our 3. 2 here makes this our 6 and 2. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. Oh, and the 7 comes down here, makes this our 5, 7, 5. And that 7 makes this our 2, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this column now, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 7, 3 here, so 2, 7, 3 and 7 here, so that makes this our 2, 7, 3. To finish out this row, we're missing a 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. This 7 comes over here, makes this our 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 9 here, so 2, 9. For this row, we're missing a 6. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. And to finish out this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 5. 8 here, so 7 and 8. And there we have it for the first puzzle from volume number 2. Again, we are just doing the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku. This is volume 2. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission with any purchases. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.